welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. I am good. Today our video is I am going to unbox the Codey inventor kit and show you each and every part of it. Hope you like our videos. This is the box of the Codey inventor kit. Shall we start our video? Wow! This is the middle plate. This is the bottom plate. This is the top plate. This is the second motor. This is the first motor. This is the microcontroller, or you can call it a speed tuner. This is the Auton sheet. This is the battery. This is the charger. This is the wire that we use to upload our program into the Codey inventor. This is the IR sensor. This is the second IR sensor and this is the third IR sensor. This is the wheel. This is the first two cable pin. This is the second wheel. These are the screws. This is another screw pack. These are the two screws. These are another set of screws. This is the black part, I don't know its name. And this is the second 2-pin cable. That's it. It's our entire kit. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.